Hi, I'm Patrick, paint expert from Resene, and today I'm going to tell you how to give your outdoor areas a good spruce now that it's springtime. Winter months can really take a toll on outdoor areas. Resene Deep Clean is perfect for your driveways, slippery paths, decks, and all of your exterior paintwork. The beauty of Resene Deep Clean is that it breaks down all the contaminants. Nature does the job for you. Spring is also the best time to give your house an instantly fresher clean with Resene Paint Prep and House Wash or Resene Bio Cleaner. If you're painting your house this summer, this is the first step to prepare it. And even if you're not, cleaning your house once a year keeps your paintwork fresh and it helps it last longer. Gates and fences that get covered in moss, mold, or lichen over winter can be treated using Resene Moss and Mold Killer. It's really easy to use. Just dilute with water or use a more concentrated mix on areas with heavy infestations. Maybe you've got some oil stains on your driveway or in your garage. Hit them with a dose of Resene Heavy Duty Paint Prep and Oil Remover. This is a great product to have in your garage all year round. And finally, if you have a timber fence or a deck that needs some love, you can use Resene Timber Deck Wash. Simply apply, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, then scrub and rinse off. At Resene, we know spring cleaning isn't just for the inside of your house. Your exterior will thank you too.